Nikki. Nikki. It's time. It's time to clean out the fridge. You said you'd do it. Come on, it's time to go.
No! What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Nikki Knees, and welcome to my fridge. What is this?
Look out! Bye.
What's in here? Steak.
Oh, that's right.
That's so old.
That was good steak. She threw it away. It was leftovers for her. And a Wawa sub.
Wawa. Oh my god.
Ugh.
Oh. Get out of there. Okay. No, not the puppy. Shoo. What is this?
Oh, it's a Chipotle burrito.
Oh, it's a Chipotle burrito. Who doesn't finish Chipotle burritos? No. $135. Gosh, so much fast food.
You've been bad.
There's another one. There's a lot of unused chicken. Potato? No. I will not poison the dog. Oh no. Mom, I'm so sorry. There's like one chicken left.
One chicken.
There's
Yeah, like an
one?
actual whole chicken.
No. There's like a chicken. Mom, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This onion turns brown and sprouts little white heads.
Huh?
Cookie. We just have cookie dough.
Boo.
Little cookie.
Little cookie.
Moonshine. But that one. Fridge onion dip. That's been in here forever.
That's gotta go.
Close up on that one. Alright, you got a little bit of macaroni and cheese left over.
I think I'll probably eat that.
Alright, half thing of Sprite lemonade. I can't get it. Ow, it's actually hurting. Ow. I legit can't get it.
There you go.
December 25th, December 11th.
Yikes.
I think these milks are done.
Yeah, they're toast.
Oh, cheese. Oh gosh.
You gotta know that's gotta go.
It smells like turkey. God, it's so moldy. Don't throw it out yet. Oh my god, look how moldy that is. You never miss it. Oh my gosh.
It's stuck to the bottom.
Do you see this? You want to eat that? Now
Ew.
that's tasty.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Oh god. Oh, smell this bag.
Ooh.
Oh my god, that is nasty. All right, veggies. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's so squishy. Ugh. Oh, asparagus. Oh,
It's probably like liquid.
yeah, just a little bit. Oh gosh, that's.
It grew.
Oh, it did grow. Even these fruit cups. Nobody eats these fruit cups. They're going.
This fruit cup, I'm gonna keep this one.
Fruit cup. Boom, baby.
What was that?
Boom, baby. December 10th. Oh, look at that. We have drawers now.
This is a refrigerated Allen wrench. I like Allen wrenches. I'm keeping that.
Will, what do you think of my fridge? It's a real doll-up spot. Got nothing.
Doll up spot. That, my friend, is a mood.
Yeah, man, we got it. It's a clean fridge. Thank you guys for watching my fridge on YouTube. This is just an excuse to clean out the fridge.
Big oof. You good?
Thank you. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.